Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, do you know how to fix Google Play Store download pending problem? So here are the solutions. So I'm going to provide you two solutions over here. So please do comment after watching this video if you like one or two. So before processing, I would say please like, share and subscribe my channel and thank you for watching and please be with me till the end. So let's start the process. First of all, we just need to go in Play Store option. Just click on right hand top on your profile and you just simply click on settings option and then click on general option. Click on network preferences and click on app download preference. So you just need to choose over any network. So I already have chosen, so you also just need to choose over any network. Click on OK and then click on updates option. So here are so many options, so you just need to click on don't auto update app. So here you will have to choose last one, don't auto update apps. Click on this, or you can choose update over Wi-Fi only, but yes, this is more effective. You just click on don't auto update apps. Click go back. What happen is sometimes we no need updated version because our phone, sometimes our phone supports older version only. So that is why here is the solution of choose that don't auto update apps and go back. Click on account and device preferences. Click on clear device search history. Click on clear history. Now you just need to click on clear wish list. Clear it. Go back. Okay. Simply this is the solution 1 and let's go to solution 2. So let's go to phone settings. Click on apps. Click on app management. Find Google Play Store. Google Play Store. Click on force stop. Click on storage uses. Click on clear cache and clear data. So you just need to read here, this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So obviously there is no requirement of keeping this data, so you just simply click on delete. Go back and now you just need to simply restart your phone. Now your problem is resolved. Thank you for watching.